Subscribe to the channel Educator Sada and press the bell icon for the latest videos.
Welcome student. First lesson, that is set standard 9th. Last lectures we had seen the definitions and presentations of the set. Now we will start an exercise. So first exercise, that is a practice set 1.1. Question number 1, write the following in roster form. Roster form, if you will remember what is roster form, means you have to write all elements separated by comma. All elements separated by comma. First question, set of even natural number. Natural number start with 1 and even number means which comes in the table of 2. Divisible by 2 is the even number. So 2, 4, 6, 8. After that you put 3 dots. 1, 2, 3, 3, not more than that and not less than that. 3 dots, it means 2, 4, 6, 8 and it goes to infinity. Question number 2, set of even prime number. Okay, there are lots of prime number, only 2 is the even prime number. So set B is in curly bracket, element is 2. Third, set of negative integers. Set of negative integers. Okay, set of negative integers. See, 0 is neither negative nor positive, so we will not consider a 0 and positive number. So first number, negative number is -1, -2, -3 and so on. Okay, for so on we are writing only 3 dots. Sub question 4, 7 basic sound of sargam, that is sur. Okay, so answer is D is a set of and elements are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Okay, now question number 2, write the following symbolic statement in words. 4/3 belongs to Q. 4/3, this is a symbol of belongs to. 4/3 belongs to Q. It means 4/3 is an element of set Q. Set Q means rational number. Q stands for rational number. Question number 2, -2 is does not belongs to n. N is a natural number. N is a natural number. So we'll write in word -2 is not an element of set n. Next, P, capital P is a set of all small p such that p is an odd number. Such that p is an odd number. How will I write? Set P is a set of all p's such that p is an odd number. Now question number 3, write any two sets of listing method and rule method. This is the open-ended question, means you take any examples and both the examples you have to write in listing method as well as rule method. In listing method, what we are going to do, we'll write all the elements separated by comma, all the elements separated by comma, and in rule method we will write some formula, some statement, some rules which describe the given set. For example, if you'll see in our home, there are lots of electronic gadgets. So set of all electronic gadgets. Okay, so in listing method we'll write all the gadgets separated by comma. So first is fan, tube light, TV, sound system, fridge, etc. and many more are there. So we have written etc. Okay, in rule method we will not write the name of the element, but instead of the element we'll specify the elements. Like A is a set of all X. This line stands for such that X is an electronic gadget. Such that X is an electronic gadget. Second question, we have set of main seasons in India. Set of main season in India. Besides three different seasons, 3 main seasons are summer, rainy and winter. So in listing method we'll write B equal to, this is curly bracket. For set we will not use the simple bracket. This is always curly bracket, both the sides. Open curly bracket, close curly bracket, and the elements mean the main season summer, rainy and winter. In rule method, we will not write a name of the elements. So B is a set of all Y such that Y is the main season in India. Next, write the following using listing method. Write the following using listing method, means all month in Indian solar year. So we'll write each and every month. So that's are Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyesht, Ashad, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Arghanan, Paush, Megh and Fagun. Later in the word complement. See, in complement, E is repeated 2 times, but in set we will not repeat the elements. So we'll write COMPLE. Instead of this 2 time E, we have written only 1 time. Means the important things to keep in the mind, in set we will not write the elements repeated, okay, again and again. Only once it is sufficient. Next, set of women's sensory organs. Science questions, basic 4th standard. Which are the sensory organs? Nose, ear, eyes, tongue and skin. Question number 4. Set of prime number from 1 to 20. Prime number means whose divisible is 1 or a number itself. Means it is not coming in any tables. Number of any tables like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Because if we'll take 4 in coming the table of 2, means 4 is divisible by 2, we will not write 4. 2 is only even number, and after that 3, 5, 7, 9. Again we will not write 9 because 9 come in the table of 3. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Question number 5. Name the continent of the world. Geography questions. Let's see. Recall from geography. E is a set of Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America and North America. Question number 5. Write the following set using a rule method. In rule method, we will write condition, formula or statement. For example, they had given in listing method A is a 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. If we will observe all the number properly, they are the square of the number. They are perfect square. Square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, 4 is 16, 5 is 25, 6 36, 7 49, 8 60. So we will write a mathematical statement. A is a set of all x such that x is a square. N square. What is n? N is a natural number because we do not want 0. If we will write here W, means the first term should be 0. So first term is 1, so we will take only natural number, positive numbers. And n is less than equal to 10. Up to 100 means 100 is the square root of 100 is 10. Okay. Next, question number 2. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 40, 48. Observe it again. They are the multiples, means they are the table of 6. So B is a set of all x such that x is equal to 6 into n. N stand for multiple. Again n is a natural number and up to 8 we want. So less than 9. C, smile. C is a smile. So C, x is the letter in the word smile. D, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What are these? These are the days of the week. So D is a set of all Z such that Z is a day of a week. X, A-E-T. So X is a letter from the word eat. Okay? Eat. You can also write or X is a letter in the word T. Same alphabets are coming na. So this is also correct. Okay. So what we have learned till date, sets, that is a well defined object, plus representation of sets, listing and rule method, and we had did the exercise 1.1. So homework, repeat Practice set 1.1 two times in a separate homework book. Thank you for joining the online classes. Have a good day. Next, question number 3, sub question 3, P. P is a set of all P's such that P is an odd number. How will we read? Set P, that is a capital P, is a set of all small p's such that P is an odd number. Question number 3. Write any two sets of listing and rule method. Means this is open-ended questions. It means there are lots of set or you can take. I took set of electronic gadgets which are in our home, that is fan, tube light, TV, sound system, fridge, etc. and many more. So in listing method we will write all elements separated by comma. So A, that is fan, comma tube light, comma TV, comma sound system, fridge, comma etc. In rule method we will write only statement, formula or some conditions, and we will read like this. Set A is a set of all X such that X is an electronic gadget. Second, I choose set of main seasons in India. Main season in India in listing method: summer, comma rainy, comma winter. In rule method, B is a set of all Y such that Y is the main season in India. Next, question number 4. Write the following set using listing method. Okay, in listing method what we are going to do? We will write all elements separated by comma. Some teachers can use element or